Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video is I will be showing you how to use Salesmate CRM. So it's a powerful tool for managing customer. So here guys, you just need to go to their website. So as you can see here, you just need to search for the Salesmate IO. So after that one is look for their official website, which is this one. Here you can see here, best sales CRM software with advanced automation for teams, and then tap on that one. So as you can see here, this is where you will be directed, and here, this is the home page of the Salesmate. So you can see here, this website is designed to streamline your sales process, allowing you to manage leads, deals, and customers' interaction in our place. And it's ideal for small to medium businesses. So what you'll need to do here is you can try for free, book a demo, or log in if you have an account already. So let's tap on this one and then log into our account or create a new account. So after this one guys, after you log in, you will be directed to this part where this is the home page after you log in. So getting started, you'll be greeted with a clean dashboard. Here you will see an overview. So here you can see here you can set up your record layouts. So connect your email. So because we are new here guys, we need to complete on this one, or we can do it later. So here are some of things we need to do here. Set up calling and texting, so for us to be more aware of this website. So as you can see here, and then on the left hand side, you have the main menu with options like here on the contacts where you store your customers' information, and then also here the sales. You can see the deals where you track and manage your sales opportunities, and then the reports. You can customize this view guys to fit your preferences. So first thing is, let's go to adding contacts and managing leads. So here, tap on that contacts, and let's start by adding a contact. You can see here the name, the types, their job title, their tags, their phone number, and then their email. So here, you just need to go to that new button guys, tap on that one, and then in the top right corner, you will see that new button. So you'll fill in details like name, email, phone number, company. And then once you save the contact, the Salesmate will organize it, and you can tag the contact as lead, customer, or category. So the next part guys is here, to more views. You can see here recently modified contacts depending on you. So that's it guys, and after that one is here is the company. So as you can see here, we only have this one example of the company option. Look for this part, and then after that one guys is you can also add a new company here by again tapping on that new button. So you can see that one, you just need to tap on that one and you will be creating a new company. And then in this part guys is the email inbox, where you will be receiving all the messages from the your team. So as you can see here, you'll be seeing here the scheduled, the outbox option, the sent messages, the archive messages, and then the trash. And just like what I said a while ago guys, that you can compose here a message guys. So tap on that blue button, the compose email, and then that's it. So you will be able to see here where will you be sending your email, and then the subject, and then here is the sales. So here guys is the deals. So here guys, deals is once you log in, you'll see the main dashboard and you can see that part. So here they will track all your sales opportunities. Then you can start by creating a new deal. So by clicking that new button, you can add a deal name, amount, and expected closing date, and then assign the deal to a contact or company, then set the current stage of the deal. So you can use the drag and drop feature to move and between stages like lead, qualified, and won. So on this part guys is the activities. So activities is managing your daily tasks is key to staying productive. So Salesmate make this easy through the activity tab. So here's how to stay on top of tasks. So you can click on that new activity to schedule call, meetings, or set reminders. And then you can also assign the task to yourself or team members. Here in the meeting scheduler, guys, is you need to connect this one on your Google Calendar or Microsoft Calendar. So going back here, guys, you can also see here the email templates, which is here you can add your own template here, guys, by tapping on that new button or the new template here. So you can see that one, guys. And then after that one is here is the email campaign, which is you can reach out to your current and potential customers at skills using this one, guys. So this campaign could be used to promote products, build a brand, or nurture customers. So here you can enable this one, guys, by using your trial. And on this part, guys, is the unified conversation inbox, where you can engage with your website visitors in real time using Salesmate's chat. You can also take control of your support emails from the unified inbox. You just need to activate that one, guys. As you can see that big blue button, the activate now button. So after that one, guys, is here is the team inbox, where this is a collaboration workspace that combines team efforts and solve customers' questions with better efficiency. Here is the tickets. So what is tickets, guys? So as you can see here, you can see here your my open tickets and unassigned tickets. So you just need to create your new ticket here, and then assign the subject, the priority, the name, and then created at, and then the owner, and then the type. So here is the automate follow-up emails, where you can automate the follow-up emails that tend to fill up your day. So you just need to create your first sequence, guys. So tap on that blue button to start with this feature. And then after that one is the during email. So by using this feature, guys, is the drop emails of yours will be sent directly to the customers when they reach the particular step within the automation journey. So as you can see here, you need to enable the trial for automation. So let's go to the dashboard here, guys, and here is your main dashboard or your default dashboard, where you will be seeing here your activities. So here for your today's activities, and then the context, for example, is the recently created, and then you can also see it here the performance overview, and then going back here you can also see here the performance overview by seeing here. And that's how you get the most out of Salesmate CRM, guys. We covered everything from managing your contacts and deals. So see you in my next video, and I hope you learned something from this video. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials.